And good morning and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and making money doing all three of those things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the risk disclaimer screen right here. And the risk disclaimer screen goes like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Right, Henry? CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. And if you hear a bird in the background, that is Henry, the Forex trading parakeet. And he's right here on my shoulder, and there he is, calling around on me, because that's what he does. Let's see. Let's get into what we're doing today. What's going on today? I am not in the, I'm in my office today, not at my day job. So here we are. I'm off today. We have the DXY right here, the dollar index. Not my favorite barometer of what the dollar is doing, but you know it works. It's at 99.24 and continues to go up. We're down here. We're wondering if it was going to hit 99. It is definitely going to hit 99. And now we're looking at a top of about 99.5-ish. So continuing to see dollar strength in the markets this morning. After that, we go to the euro versus the dollar. Euro versus the dollar is doing its thing and going down because of the dollar strength and European weakness. Been a lot of shakeups geopolitically with the French government, and that they're a big chunk of what the euro is all about. So we do have a holiday in the United States, so I don't expect to see a very active New York session. As a matter of fact, I expect to see things drop off soon as London closes at noon my time, right? But you still can get a few trades in. Let's see what's going on after that. This we go to the euro versus the yen. Turn down video settings. I can't turn down my video settings. How about that? Is that better? What if I do that? Is that better? Maybe that's better. Maybe if I do that. I'm also testing some settings right now too to make see if things work. Way up there. Let's see what's going on. Okay, maybe that's better. All right, so we have going on here. We have the dollar versus the yen, and again, not a whole lot going on with that since it's going to be it's kind of just meandering about. The New York session, like I said, is going to be a short one today. It'll be London at noon, and then nothing after that, most likely. Pound versus the dollar, unless something really, really big happens. Pound versus the dollar. Again, very strong dollar, so we're seeing some weakness with the pound versus the dollar. Pound versus the yen, let's go to that. Again, kind of meandering about a little bit, not really going anywhere on the 4-hour chart. That's where I start to make my trading decisions. Daily is where I start to look for trading opportunities. And we have a nice 50% retrace on that big bearish candle right there. So I could go down further after that. If that holds, if that candle holds, then I would expect to see it coming back down to the downside, down to around 198, when the Japanese start figuring out if they're going to raise rates or not. Let's see. After this, we're going to go to the Canadian versus the dollar. The most boring trade ever. Down here, well, can't see it on this chart, but if you go to the 4-hour chart, it was meandering around the 139.5 region. And then up here, it's meandering around 140. So, not a whole lot going on with that. Canadian versus the yen. Again, not a whole lot going on over the past 8 hours. Retracing the previous bullish candle, so we will see what happens with that as we go throughout the day. Hold on for something for a second. Okay, well, that was fun. I had to check something on my video settings on OB Studio to see what was happening. Let's see what's happening next. We have the Canadian yen. Bears a lot of what's going on with the oil market. Oil market is going kind of sideways right now, but it was headed down, down strongly to 58.20. So we could see more bearish activity taking place with oil. Again, down here to the Aussie. Not my favorite currency to trade, but it might be worthwhile. Lots of bearish activity going on. Change of character there. Bearish. What's it? BOS? I forget what it's called. Break of. No, it's change of character. Break of structure. A bearish break of structure there. So everything bearish for the Aussie versus the dollar, according to Smart Money Concepts. Looks like it could sell off further today. Let's see what else is going on today. Especially if China and the U.S. keep talking tariffs, increasing tariffs. That's what got all this going on Friday. Let's see. Gold is being gold. It's like Bama on a good year in college football. It is just tearing off. Continues to go up. I don't see it coming down anytime soon. Not the way governments around the world have been outspending their treasuries. Just don't learn over time. Governments will almost every time outspend their treasuries. And that's what killed Louis XIV. You know, it happens. Let's see. Among many others. Silver. Silver is also on a tear too today. Don't know how long this is going to last, but it's as far as today goes, it will. I'm estimating $75 silver at some point. Blew through the all-time high with no problem, and is not really looking back too much. I'm in on both those trades right here, gold and silver. A little bit of a pullback on silver since the top around 50. So we'll see if how far these two go today. They may take a break today and pull back. May have to widen my stops a little bit on those because they're definitely going up. There's nothing to hold them back. Not the way governments keep outspending their treasuries. So with that, we have look at that. Aussie dollar is stronger than the American dollar. Nice change in strength right there. As far as the my trading challenge goes, I'm still not where I want to be on that. Still at minus 61, minus $50 tack on the day if I closed out those trades. I'm not doing that because they're bound to go up. London goes on for another 4 hours, so we'll see what happens after that. In the meantime, if you like these videos, then by all means like them. If you hit the little thumbs up thing. If you want to know when I'm going to do more videos, then subscribe, and we'll put out some more videos and let you know when that happens. And also one more thing, if you have any comments, by all means comment, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.